Hey guys, today I'm going to be going over 5 different gig apps to use to help you earn extra income or to do full-time as a full-time gig worker. So I've made a few videos on delivery apps that you can use with your car to, deliver goods and services to people. So these are a little bit different. These are more doing tasks and manual labor type jobs. So a little bit different, but still kind of in that same category of being a gig worker. So with that being said, let's get into some of the best gig apps to use to help you earn that extra income. So the first one is going to be Taskrabbit. So Taskrabbit is a platform that connects you with people that need certain jobs done at their house, such as putting together a bookshelf like this one behind me, or hanging a picture on the wall, and I've even seen some where they pay you to stand in line. So in order to be a tasker, it's pretty much the same thing as any other app. You sign up, you answer a few questions, you make a profile, and then within about 5 days to a week, you will be approved to start doing some of the jobs. The difference that I found with Tasker and a few other apps is there's actually a $25 sign-up fee. So technically it's a small investment which separates itself from many other apps. A lot of them are free. So just keep that in mind that it's a small investment to start working and you're not guaranteed to make that back starting out. So what's cool about Taskrabbit too is you can actually choose your own rate, but you got to keep in mind too that it's competitive. So if someone's charging $15 an hour and you're charging $50 an hour, you're probably going to be next in line and you're not going to get as many jobs. But regardless, you are still able to make anywhere from $15 to even $45 an hour, depending on what type of job you do. If it's a furniture assembly, you'll make anywhere from $30 to $40 an hour. But if you're standing in line for someone, it might only be $15 to $20 an hour. So Taskrabbit is a great way to provide a little bit of variety within the jobs that you're doing. So it's definitely something to at least look into and try out. So this next one is called Handy, which I'm guessing is short for handyman. So Handy caters to more of the skilled workers such as house cleaners, gardeners, electricians, and plumbers. So with Handy, it is recommended that you've done these jobs before, that you have work experience with some of this contract work. So that way you are increasing your reviews and your potential to earn a little bit more. So when it comes to pay, you can make anything from $15 to $100 an hour, depending on what types of jobs you are accepting, and of course the experience and skills that you have. So again, that is Handy, and it's a little bit better for someone who has more fine-tuned skills in a certain job, and better for contract workers. So this next one is for some of those muscular dudes that just want to get paid to lift heavy things. No, but seriously, this is called Goshare, and it's a way to make money by helping people move. So the cool thing about Goshare is the bigger the vehicle you have, the more money you can actually make. So if you have a regular pickup truck, you'll make anywhere from $30 to $50 an hour. But if you have a huge box truck, you can make up to $120 in 1 hour. So Goshare is a great opportunity to make a lot of money if you already have a big vehicle like a truck, but it's probably not the best if you just have a regular car. So the last thing about Goshare is you have to have a registered vehicle and it has to be up to the inspection as well. But again, like I said, if you have a vehicle for this job, it's a perfect way to make extra money and help people move. So this last one is perfect for some of you who really enjoy dogs and pets. It's called Rover. So Rover is a platform that connects you with people who need their dogs walked or just need general pet care for their animals. A lot of people go out of town and they can't take their pets with them, so sometimes they need their dogs walked or given food or just taken outside. And this is a great way for you to make an extra side income as a student or someone that just wants extra income every month. You can make anywhere from $500 to $1,000 a month, which is perfect for someone who has a little bit of extra time and really enjoys taking care of pets and animals. It's a great way to get outside and walk a few dogs and make a little bit of money in the process. There's also another app called Wag, which is very similar to Rover. You're basically doing the exact same thing. So you can always two-time it and have both of those apps going at the same time for extra work. So I really hope this helped, guys. Feel free to leave a comment below if you like, and I will catch you next time. See ya.